Hello everyone! Today we are going to make shirataki fried rice. It is not only delicious, but this fried rice contains only 193 calories and 11 grams carbohydrates per 16-ounce serving as compared to the traditional fried rice that contains 800 to 1200 calories and up to 90 grams of carbohydrates per 16-ounce serving. Let's get started. We will need 1 large onion chopped, 3 tablespoons bacon bits, 1.5 cups frozen mixed vegetables. Freshly chopped vegetables could be used as well. 6 ounces pork chops or any protein of your choice. 2 cups or 16 ounces shirataki or konjac rice, 3 large egg whites. I decided to include 1/4 red bell pepper. Pour 1 tablespoon olive oil into your pan on medium to low heat. Pour in chopped onions and fry until onions are translucent. Pour the egg whites into the pan. Allow to fry until almost opaque. Add the mixed vegetables. Cover and allow to steam or cook for 2 minutes. Combine to scramble the eggs. Because I use pork chops, I try not to add on saturated fats. I choose to use egg whites because they're considerably lower in calories, cholesterol, and saturated fats. 1 large egg with the yolk contains 78 calories as compared to 1 large egg without the yolk, that is the egg whites, which contains only 17 calories. Cover the pan to accelerate the steaming process. Add 3/4 of the bacon bits and combine the ingredients. Cover and let it steam for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the konjac rice. A 16-ounce serving or 2 cups of konjac rice has 4 grams of carbs and 4 grams of fiber, meaning basically your body absorbs 0 net carbohydrates when consumed. Mix or combine all ingredients in the pan. Add any seasoning of your choice to taste. I used 1 teaspoon garlic salt, half a teaspoon onion powder, and 1 tablespoon mixed seasoned blend. I usually do not add salt because most seasonings already contain salt. I do not add soy sauce either because 1 tablespoon of soy sauce not only contains 85 calories but 879 milligrams of sodium, which is 40% of the daily recommended intake. For rice of this quantity, I would need 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, which is 1.5 times the daily recommended intake. Due to these facts, I do away with soy sauce, as this meal is not the only meal that I would eat in the day that contains salt or sodium. And even though salt is an essential nutrient that our body needs to function, too much of it can increase blood pressure and lead to heart disease and stroke. Add any protein of your choice. You can cook it, grill it, bake it, steam it, or air fry it, but avoid frying in oil. Combine and cover to steam for another 1 minute to help infuse the flavors in the meat or your protein. Leave the pan open for 3 to 4 minutes so any excess liquid can evaporate. And just like that, you are done. Dish it out onto your plate. Enjoy with a side or any tasty sauce of your choice, if preferred, or eat it just as is. Either way, it is simply delicious. Simply delicious.